so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this package that I received. This is a huge deal for me. I've never won anything in my entire life. I've never gotten anything free like this from a huge company, let alone one of my favorite person's hair dye company. I feel like this moment is just like full circle because like I used to dye my hair like all these bright colors like when I was in high school and all that stuff, and like Hayley was one of my biggest inspirations for that. So like I said, full circle moment. I'm so excited, and I can't believe this package was sent to me. So let's get this puppy opened. This is the final reveal. I'm so excited. I don't know what. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we got some cool stickers. I'm gonna put these everywhere. What else did we get? Ooh, these are so cute. Some butterfly clips. Oh my god, I gotta do a look with this for real. They're my colors too. Green, yellow, orange. Jeez. More stickers. My voice is going away. I'm so excited. More. Oh my god. Put these up to the side. Oop. Come here, sticker. Okay. Oh, is this an actual handwritten letter? We can't wait to see what you create, Team Good Die Young. Holy, you guys, you don't even know how exciting this is for me. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Rock lobster. The first color that I ever dyed my hair was red. I'm telling you guys, this is a full circle moment. I'm gonna keep saying that because the universe, how does it work, man? Like, the first color I ever dyed my hair was red. So this is super exciting for me. So I'm gonna create something super cool with this. Unfortunately, I won't be able to do it on my own hair, but I'm gonna finesse something, so stay tuned. So this is the wig, and here's my head, and you see it comes all the way down to like my waist. So yeah, she is 30 inches long. I'm excited. Ooh, my twin. This project means a lot to me. I'm not getting paid for it. I am not getting any sort of sponsorship or anything like that. I just got a free package from Good Die Young. I don't know if I've said that already, but I hope it's not a one-time only thing. Like, I can do this every time they send me something. Like, I will spend my hard-earned money to create something beautiful for them. So I'm rambling. I'm just so excited. I just want to show you guys how excited and passionate and grateful I am for this huge opportunity. Maybe a lot of people get the same opportunity every single day, every single hour, but to me, I'm just so honored. That's all. I'm honored. Like, oh, the excitement. I'm not like a very expressive person as when it comes to excitement, but I am. Like, I'm super excited. Hey, it's me again. Look what I did. I created my own mannequin head and my own stand with my tripod. So if I don't end up with the results I want, at least I should get an A for effort, because all this is DIY. I could have bought it, but last minute I decided that that weak ass head stand thing is like worthless. You can't really work with it. I created my own. So let's see. I've got one of the boxes. I got 3 boxes. Thank you so much, Good Die Young. I got one of the boxes here. I'm gonna do a test strand on the wig because I want to make sure that the color penetrates correctly, and I want it to be all saturated and really bright. So we're gonna see if I don't need to like soak it or do the water method, which I don't know if the color will be the brightest with the water method, but we're gonna try it like the old-fashioned way, just putting it directly on the hair and waiting till it processes and all that good stuff. So Stay tuned. All right, hope you guys can see me. We got Miss Conehead right here. Got the little wig, and I'm gonna probably test strand like this upper section. It smells so good. It smells like lemongrass a little bit. I forgot how soothing it is to like dye hair. It makes me want to do like the whole thing, but I don't want the color to not take, and then I ended up dyeing the whole thing, and then I don't have any more color, and that would be like a major problem. So I got a wig update for you guys. The color fell out. All of it. It all fell out. Except for in the wig cap, of course. Of course that's the only thing that's gonna die. Jeez. Anyways, I guess I got at the beauty supply store. Not because of them. Probably because the label was wrong, or I didn't check right, and honestly I just was in a hurry yesterday to even check to see if it was real hair or synthetic, but I guess this is synthetic hair. So there goes that, a waste of money buying this wig. I already ordered a new one because I'm not gonna give up on this project, obviously. The other thing is, well, okay, you can't really see it on camera. It's going away too. It's like bleaching out, thank God. But my sink was bright red, like I had just committed a crime or something. So that's the little update. This is really chaotic. We did it. Good job, baby. All right, so I had to go to Sally's and get some more hair dye to dye the wig that's coming in today. I got 2 packs because just in case I don't want to run out and have to run to the store again. And also, if you guys saw the clip where I was dyeing that wig, I desperately needed some hair clips, so I got me some hair clips, so we should be good to go. Oh my god. They're so cute. Hello. just got done with a good shoot. Right, Drew? Got my baby back. Finally.
It's hot.
It is hot.
Let them have their time. Sit back and let them shine.